My name is Tracey Gunn. I'm a health coach and I run cooking classes in conjunction with my coaching. And it's based here in Milton, Mollymook area. My classes are designed to bring traditional fare and tweak it so then it becomes healthy. We focus on gut health, we focus on unrefined foods like unrefined sugars, dairy-free, gluten-free. So it's a holistic approach to eating. I love the fact that we have fresh air here. I love the fact that we have the most amazing weather. The people in the Shoalhaven are so open, they're welcoming. There is a sense of community here that I've never seen anywhere else. For me, food is everything. Native Cafe have the most amazing views down at the harbour with really wholesome, unprocessed foods. And then when it comes to dinner time, you can't beat places like St Isidore, Torwood, Cupid's for the amazing view out there, and great wine and beer and things like that. I've seen transformations in people just in one day from being in this room. And they've said to me as well, wow, I feel like a new person. We take it into the kitchen and I show them the elements, break it down, make it really accessible and easy and fun.